Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make coconut rice. If you are interested to know how I put this together, please sit back and watch till the end. My name is Linda, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I produce the coconut milk. Here is the coconut. You crack it and remove the meat from its shell. So after that, you chop it into pieces. Use food processor if you have to crush it to a certain texture. Then use your blender for a proper blending. So after that, I extracted the coconut milk, and here we have it. So here I have the protein I'm using for this meal. I have chicken and beef. I have the vegetables, the green peppers, red peppers and carrots. So here I have the peppers already chopped, the seasonings. I use curry, salt, seasoning cube and ginger and garlic paste. Guys, you have to keep the spicy for your coconut rice very simple and minimal. Coconut water, milk and peppers. Then here is the stock. Here we have our rice already washed. So you start by sauteing some chopped onions in a very little oil. Here I introduced the pepper. Guys, I did not show you pepper earlier. So here is the pepper. Then going in is coconut milk and a little coconut water. Coconut water, the one that used to be inside the coconut, yes. Yeah, I'm adding the remaining spices. Stir it very well and cover it to boil. So after it has boiled, add the meat stock. That's for seasoning, and if it's okay, then add your rice. After adding your rice, stir very well and cover it to cook. So after a few minutes, the rice is well cooked now. So here I'm adding the carrots. After a few seconds, I added the peppers. And here this rice is ready to go. Is okay. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. Share these videos to your family and friends. If you follow this recipe, oh my goodness, you'll not regret it. And leave a beautiful comment down below. The ingredients will be in the description box. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.